Welcome to Get on the Ladder, Creative Art and Design. Let's explore how to launch a career in the arts. This guide helps aspiring artists and designers navigate the art industry and learn how to develop a successful career. A career in art is exciting but challenging. It requires passion, dedication, and strategy to succeed in this sector. If you are passionate about art, you're halfway there. Let's find out how to get the rest of the way. Art careers fall into two categories: creating art or presenting the work of others. Let's take a look. Creating art includes fine artists, illustrators, graphic designers, photographers, makeup artists, and ceramicists. Curating art includes gallery curators, conservators, and advertising art directors, all presenting art in unique ways. To succeed in art, you'll need artistic skills, resilience, art history knowledge, initiative, and creativity. Artistic skills, including an artistic eye, help attract audiences and create visually pleasing work. Resilience and staying positive are essential for pushing through creative blocks and inspiration droughts. Knowing art history helps you understand previous movements and create relevant and interesting art today. Initiative and creativity are crucial for developing unique ideas and getting the job done independently. Gaining experience is vital for any art career. There are many ways to get your foot in the door. Choosing the right courses and organizing exhibitions in school helps you develop your skills and portfolio. Outside of school, building a portfolio, practicing, and getting your work out there is crucial for artists. Workplace experience and knowing the routes into the industry are important for landing your dream art job. A strong portfolio is the #1 most important thing to have. It showcases your skills and abilities to potential employers. Education and apprenticeship schemes provide structured learning and hands-on experience in the art field. Volunteering or freelancing lets you gain practical experience and build your network while working to a specific brief. Experimenting with different forms of art and media can broaden your skills and open up new creative possibilities. Use resources like ArtsThread to further your art career journey. ArtsThread is a popular platform for showcasing art and design portfolios from students and graduates worldwide. Explore relevant subjects, career sectors, and careers listed on COFE to find your perfect fit in the art world.